Hurry up and drink your drink. What does the dog say?
If a disaster turns your family's world upside down, it's up to you to be ready.
What does the cat say?
Get a kid. Make a plan. Be informed
What does the lion
today.
say?
Learn how at ready.com.
What does the dog say? Again. What about a cat? What does the cat say? What about a lion?